welcome back to my channel. My name is Laquelle. Today we did this just like neutral, just a little beat, like you want to go out for the day, do a little some shopping and stuff and everything. But yeah, so this look is cute for day or night to me. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you ain't subscribed already, I don't know what you doing, but we gonna be there. I'm gonna get you. You know what I'm saying? No. Okay, so as you can see, I already did my eyebrow tape, my Tarte Shapetapes, and conceal. So I'm going to go in and set my face with the translucent powder. These Laura Mercier powders, and this is the medium and this is the regular. I'm going to contour with the Tarteist Makeupshayla palette. And I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. stippling brush. Today I'm going to go in with this and I'm going to contour my nose. Going with my Urban Decay makeup setting spray, and this is the oil control. So now I'm going to prime my eyelid with this sharp Shape Tape concealer. I'm going to just set that with that same Laura Mercier, that same translucent powder. Start on the eyes. I'm going to go in with this Kylie bronze palette and this Kylie Jenner, but all I know is all my colors fell out of here, so these are not the original the original setup for these. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this palette. Oh, see, so now my palette looks like this. I kind of saved it. That's okay. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I can't tell you the name of it because I'm not too sure. I don't even want to use this palette anymore, like, to be honest. I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics Eyes and Cheek palette. I don't think I ever used this. Oh, I'm like, dang, yeah. I never used this really before. I just picked up like try to see like the pigment, you know. But yeah. I'm going to put that in the outer corner. Let's go in with the Urban Decay with Gwen Stefani palette. This is what it looks like. Pop, which is this color. It's like a pink rose goldish color. Shimmer, I'm gonna put that on the lid. To take my e.l.f. blending brush, I'm going to go in with this brown right here, and bath water shade right here, and I'm going to put that in the teardrop of my eye, and I'm going to use a Morphe E36 brush. I'm going Okay, so what I did was just take this synthetic flat brush by BH Cosmetics, and I took Kylie's highlighters in Strawberry Shortcake, and I just sprayed some Fix Plus spray and then applied it to the eyelid just to make it a little bit more sparkly pinkish. Now I'm going to go in with this NYX liner I don't never know how to do them like symmetrical. Like, I do know, but it just takes a lot. I'm going to take my Revolution highlighter, And I'm going to go in with this bottom shade. I'm going to highlight. I'm going to take my M510 brush to highlight, and I'm going to just spray that. Then I'm going to just highlight. Ooh, buddy. That was these two and this one mixed. Do you guys see that? Go in with my NYX black eyeliner. I'm going to go in with this smudge brush, and I'm going to take a brown shade from this, and I'm going to smoke that out so that the black isn't so hard. Now I'm gonna go in with the Big Shot. You see this? I just don't like how that looks. Then I'm going to go in with the Ardell Double Up. These are one of my favorite lashes. So now that we have the lashes on, we're going to go in with the lip. I'm going to outline my lip with, of course, my holy grail, Club Hopper by NYX. And I think we're going to go with a gloss for this look. I'm going to go in with So Cute by the Kylie Cosmetics. I think that this will be so cute. Well, first I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm going to loving how this look turned out. I'm like over here feeling myself like I'm trying to go to the club tonight or something. No. So I'm going to go do something to this hair, put some chemicals in it, some edge control, some something, and then I'll be right back.